Assam CM warns Congress against politics over Zubeen Garg's legacy. Assam Chief Minister Himanta Biswa Sama criticized Congress, cautioning against exploiting Zubeen Garg's legacy for political gain. The CM's warning was issued in Guwahati. The CM urged that Zubeen Garg's work and name be free from political use and exploitation. Assessing most impactful deadline pickups. 8 Norris candidates. More NHL hot topics. This article discusses trending news and rumors in major sports like football, basketball, baseball, hockey, and soccer. It highlights impactful deadline pickups in the NHL and identifies 8 potential candidates for the Norris Trophy. It also addresses other hot topics currently circulating in the NHL. Sustaining diplomacy amid competition in US-China relations. Former US Ambassador to China Nicholas Burns highlights the competitive yet critical US-China relationship, emphasizing shared responsibility in climate action despite tensions in trade, technology, and military spheres, with both nations leading in emissions and economic influence. Cooperation on clean energy, like rare earths and AI, could mitigate global risks, he argues at an MIT seminar. Lindsey Vonn takes first steps after 2026 Winter Olympics crash as early progress hints at possible return. Lindsey Vonn is making progress in her recovery after a crash at the 2026 Winter Olympics. She has taken her first steps, hinting at a possible return to the slopes. Further updates on her condition and potential comeback are anticipated as she continues rehabilitation. Iran says several enemy flying objects destroyed during US pilot rescue mission. Iran's Revolutionary Guards claims several flying objects were destroyed during a US mission to rescue a stranded airman. The incident occurred within Iranian territory, according to the Tasneem news agency report. Further details about the nature of the flying objects or the exact location were not immediately available. Nearly 500 elderly people killed by family caregivers in Japan in FY 2006 to 2024. Japan's government report reveals nearly 500 elderly individuals aged 65 plus died from caregiver-related homicides between fiscal years 2006 to 2024. The alarming trend underscores growing concerns over elder abuse and strained caregiving systems. Experts call for stronger support and oversight to protect vulnerable seniors. Crossroads Gold completes acquisition of the Steiglitz Gold Project in Australia, announces anticipated trading date, and provides corporate and leadership update. Crossroads Gold Corp has finalized its acquisition of the Steiglitz Gold Project in Australia. The company, formerly Northern Silicon International Inc., announced the anticipated trading date and provided a corporate and leadership update. The company seems enthusiastic about this new acquisition. European Residential Real Estate Investment Trust announces going private transaction with Canadian Apartment Properties Real Estate Investment Trust. European Residential Real Estate Investment Trust (ERIS) announced a going private transaction with Canadian Apartment Properties Real Estate Investment Trust (CAPREIT). The agreement stipulates that ERIS unit holders will receive an all-cash payment. This announcement qualifies as a designated news release under CAPREIT's prospectus supplement. From May 15, 2025. Report: Yankees tried to acquire Skeens from Pirates last season. The New York Yankees reportedly attempted to trade for Paul Skeens from the Pittsburgh Pirates during the last season. According to sources, the discussions explored a potential deal for the promising pitching prospect. However, The deal did not go through and Skeens remained with the pirates organization. Maharashtra government transfers 25 IAS officers in major reshuffle. The Maharashtra government executed a significant administrative reshuffle, transferring 25 IAS officers on Thursday. This major move impacts various departments and positions within the state's bureaucracy, signaling potential shifts in policy implementation and governance. Further details are available on lokmattimes.com. US-Iran war. Trump suggests Tuesday's deadline is final. President Trump has extended the deadline for Iran to make a deal or open the Strait of Hormuz to Tuesday. He warned of dire consequences if Iran doesn't comply. This is after several previous extensions. He threatened attacks on Iran's infrastructure. The UN warned the US that attacking civilian infrastructure violates international law. Scott Mills jokes about life in the 90s and people say it hasn't aged well. DJ Scott Mills was suspended from his Radio 2 show last Wednesday after the BBC began assessing an allegation about his personal conduct. Fans have taken to social media to express their opinions about the situation. The details of the allegation remain undisclosed, leading to speculation and discussion online. SBS Hindi News Wrap, the 28th of March 2026. This is a summary of the SBS Hindi News Wrap for the week ending March 27, 2026. The News Wrap is a weekly summary of important news events. Listeners can tune in to get updated on the latest happenings in the world. Naked intruder exposes gaps in Japan's royal security. Enormous failure. A naked man breached security at Japan's imperial palace during New Year celebrations, raising concerns about emperor's safety. The incident, revealed by News Post 7, prompted security tightening before the emperor's birthday. Experts call it an enormous failure, highlighting existing security concerns after past attacks on public figures and debates arise about balancing protection and public access. Report. Providence hires South Florida's Hodgson as next coach. Providence has reportedly hired South Florida's Hodgson as their new coach, according to recent reports. The information comes from a source specializing in trending news and rumors related to various sports including football, basketball, baseball, hockey, and soccer. This marks a significant change in leadership for the Providence team. US-Israel war on Iran. Day 31. What UAE residents need to know on March 30th. The US-Israel war with Iran impacts the UAE with air defense responses, UAE-US talks, and fluctuating Dubai gold prices. CBSE assessment changes affect UAE students. Air India adds GCC flights. The UAE condemns attacks on civilian infrastructure and calls for guarantees from Iran. An investor highlighted UAE's resilience amid geopolitical challenges. China launches nationwide long-term care insurance system. China is launching a nationwide long-term care insurance system to support its aging population and ease pressure on families. The plan provides services or financial support for basic nursing and medical care for disabled individuals. Funding will come from employer, individual contributions, and government subsidies, with the goal of unified system coverage within 3 years to address the growing demographic challenges. Assam. Heroin worth 7 crore rupees seized in Kachar. 2 held. Assam Rifles and Kachar district authorities seized heroin worth 7 crore rupees in Kachar. 2 individuals were apprehended in connection with the drug bust. The operation signifies a major effort to combat narcotics trafficking in the region, though specific details are limited in the provided text. RBI allows rupee exchange at airport departure counters beyond immigration. The Reserve Bank of India (RBI) has granted permission for residents and non-residents to exchange Indian rupee notes at foreign exchange counters located in airport departure halls. This allowance extends to areas beyond immigration checkpoints, facilitating easier currency exchange for travelers. Children make up half of Haiti's gangs. They're about to face a new foreign force. Haiti's gangs are increasingly recruiting children, making up half of their ranks, luring them with food, money, and false promises of power. With a new unbacked gang suppression force arriving, experts warn vulnerable minors could face deadly confrontations. Meanwhile, aid groups urge addressing hunger and trauma to prevent further exploitation as 1.4 million Haitians remain displaced.